Christa Barbour, a Norwex independent sales consultant, and I just wanted to share with you this idea of a demonstration I thought of the other day while I was making French toast. I was getting very irritated and just how tedious it was to go between the raw egg and the soap and water every time I wanted to, make another French toast. And so I thought of this little demonstration that I could do to show you just how effective Norwex cloths are and to maybe change some of our baking habits, who knows. So we have these swabs that are I purchased independently from Norwex, and raw egg. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip my hands in the raw egg, get them all nice and gooey. Yeah, lovely, right? And in any good experiment, we have a control. So we're just going to swab, and these swabs will show you how much protein is left in the sample. So the idea is if there's protein, it's purple. If there's no protein, it's green, and then there are some shades in between. The cool thing about testing for protein levels is proteins are smaller than viruses and bacteria. And so if you have no proteins, because you were able to remove them, you also don't have viruses or bacteria. And you can see we're on our way to purple. Alright, so we'll let that sit for just a minute. We'll put that down there. Next, my egg is kind of drying out. Refresh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hands, but I want to keep this one dirty so I can test it later with the Norwex cloth. So we're going to get some nice warm water going, and we're going to go for 30 seconds. Alright, starting now. I hear you can sing the happy birthday song or the alphabet or whatever you want. I'll save your ears though, and I'll just watch my timer. I'll be honest, I didn't wash my hands this long the other day making breakfast. It's kind of scary. Alright, just about there. I'm going to get a good and fair, or at least as fair as I can, experiment for you guys. Alright, so a little on the warm side. There we go. Alright, air dry to try not to contaminate anything. Let's see, soap and water is right here. Just get a good sample from my hand to see just how effective the soap and water was able to clean the proteins off your hands. Remember, we're going for green. And you would certainly hope that antibacterial soap would do the trick. We'll see. Alright, we're green so far. I'm going to let that sit for a minute. We'll see if anything changes. Alright, next, Norwex. I'm excited for this. Try it out a little bit. I don't think it makes a difference, but just to make sure we're good and contaminated. All you have to do for using your Norwex cloth to clean and disinfect is to get it wet, bring it out. You just want it damp. And you can, this is our Enviro cloth, and you can use it on pretty much any surface in your house. It's good for countertops, stovetops, kitchens, bathrooms, pans, doorknobs, pretty much anything. And I think it's a lot more convenient. Alright, let's see what we get. Now I'll explain to you while we're waiting how the Norwex works. To be considered microfiber, well, let's get the fingers. To be considered microfiber, it has to be 1/6 the size of a human hair. Norwex, however, is 1/200. So it can grab teeny tiny little things. The bigger fibers, they just spread stuff around. They don't really pick it up like Norwex does. Also, in each cloth, we have over 1,000 miles of microfibers in this cloth right here. That means it's very dense. We've also got these cloths lined with silver. It kind of works as a self-purification system. It helps keep the funguses from growing, fungi, so it doesn't get as stinky. It's great for bath towels. That's why I love Norwex, because all you need is just water and it will do a fantastic job. Keep in mind though, you're only mechanically removing the gross stuff on your counters or on your hands. To kill the stuff, you'll have to use dish soap, or we've got the laundry detergent Ultra Power Plus up. We've got that detergent. It works really well. I use it on my dog. She was really stinky. You can do about 50 loads with just this pouch because you only need about a teaspoon of this stuff. It's really great. Alright, it's looking really promising, guys. I can't wait to show you. Really quickly, while we're still waiting on that, I want to show you some of our other hand washing items. We've got the peppermint scented soap. I don't have that to show you, but we've got the bathroom hand towel. We've got the kitchen hand towel. And my favorite from the kids line, we've got this little guy. You just hang him up in your bathroom and your little one pets it dry. That's the idea. And it will help get the extra gooey stuff or whatever out of their hands that might have been missed while washing. It also adds a little bit of fun. Alright, you ready to see? I'm excited to show you. Remember, we're going for green. Alright, so here we've got soap and water, and that looks pretty green. Control looks, yep, definitely we've got protein there. And Norwex, green and good. So we've found that Norwex is just as effective as washing with soap and water. If you have any other questions, you want to see how it works a little bit better, or if you're interested in our products, visit my website. I'll have the link posted with this video. Thank you for watching, and happy waxing.